we will give you an insight on our old piece of paradise that we have created in southern Spain. And we are going to answer the biggest question that always comes up. Why did you leave?
Like it was like really like this tornadoes. You had to take care of all the stuff that was lying around, everything was flying away. Where's the trampoline? it went over the farm of the neighbor. Luckily, no one got hurt.
At least was like a half a kilometer. We had an incline of 600 meters. I one time counted like the bends. There's like 130 bends to drive on this 6-kilometer dirt road.
When we bought the land, we asked the lawyer to check, and so we thought we were on the good side. She didn't really read the regulations, I think.
Legal aspects.
Ooh, what a nightmare. What they can't see, they don't know.
But if you can't see it from the road, it's not a problem. So we said, okay, that's something I can work with.
Like the binoculars in one hand, walkie-talkie in the other. Okay, no one's coming, you can go through.
And then we also had rights to an acequia. And that's an ancient water channel, maybe built by the Romans or the Moorish.
Another natural resource is soil, and at our land we had more dust.
Lemons, difficult, you know. Mangoes, out of the question.
Yeah, avocado.
Papaya, out of all, nothing, you know, we can't do it. Yeah, it was really lovely. It was harsh, but lovely as well.
I don't regret it.
Yeah, we hope to help you if you want to make the same decision. Yeah, help you not to fall in the same pitfalls as we did.